Hey guys, so today we're doing a video. We're back doing another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I'm doing some stupid stuff. School, school's out, so I'll be doing some more videos. Stay tuned. We're gonna be doing another video today. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Hope you like the video. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm back. We're gonna do another fidget spinner type vlog type thingy. I know I said type a lot. We're gonna try and see which fidget spinner will spin the longest. So, what you need to do is go in the comments and try and hit pause, like, and subscribe and all that stuff, and see which fidget spinner will spin the longest. Comment your predictions down below. And if you're right, well, you're bragging rights, so can't do anything. Well, obviously, or you can just guess. Doesn't really matter. So, okay, we're gonna start. Make your predictions.
We're back
the video.
right now. We're back right now. You guys write in the comments below which fidget spinner you think will spin the longest. All right? Is it just going?
Almost.
Can you see? All right. It's just like playing right now.
I'll spin. Yeah, mine's playing.
All right. So which one do you guys think is going to spin the longest?
That one?
Goldie, Greenie, or Rainbow. Alright? Put it in the comments. And if you guessed it right, leave a like. If you guessed it wrong, still leave a like. Alright? And if you guessed it right, well, bragging rights. So, let's go.
Shane, we need you for a minute.
Shane, come here.
Alright, well, we're just going to wait for him. And while we're doing that, I'll pause the video.
We'll be back in a minute. We're back. Tyler's setting up his right now.
Hey guys, we're back. And Shane's going to be coming here soon.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to be in the video, so we're not going to put him in it.
This one isn't in the video. It needs to stay right there, yeah.
Can you see my head?
Nope.
Okay, good.
Alright. So, Shane is going to spin Goldie. Tyler's going to spin Greenie. And I'm going to spin Rainbow. Ready?
Ready? Set.
Wait, it needs
Remember, make your predictions in the comments which one spins longest.
Nope.
Yep.
Pull yours over, Shane.
This
This one. Pull yours over.
I need to see mine. I can't see yours. I can't see mine. But once we spin them, I'll pick my phone up and stuff. Yeah.
Ready?
Some
One,
video. 2, 3.
So, Goldie. No, this is
Rainbow,
Goldie, and Greenie.
Greenie or Goldie? Make your predictions.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Drop that.
Alright, so.
Remember, guys, make your predictions. So while that's spinning, let's go take a look around and I'll come back. We'll be back in a minute, okay? Alright, we're back. I didn't think you'd want to go through the process of just sitting there for 2 minutes doing nothing. Didn't want to bore you guys. So, we're going to go back and I'm going to go see which one's slowing down.
Oh, mine's slowing down.
They're slowing down. I think Goldie's going to win. He's still doing strong.
$1 for a fidget spinner.
$1 for a fidget spinner beating that Toys R Us fidget spinner.
Yes.
Go shout them out, Toys R Us, dollar store.
$3 fidget spinner.
If you don't have a dollar store, well, I don't know. It's nice. But
you know what? It's still spinning. Tyler's just stopped. It's still spinning.
Goldie's gonna win. And Goldie wins, yeah. So if you guessed Goldie, you were right. Yeah, anyone else, you're wrong. So, Goldie, the $4 fidget spinner, beat the $20 fidget spinner. So, alright. That's it for today's video. If you comment, like, subscribe. If you want more of these videos. And see ya another day. Peace.
I will be doing a fidget spinner